we are back with another videos and we have a special guest what is not always in my videos. I don't know why, but yeah. Say hi. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna invite accept the invite or else. Good boy. Good boy. Good what? What? Um I'm not gonna also appear in your room. Nice. Oh well. Um construction, the basement. Something, something, something. Oh my days! I'm just gonna go ahead and backstab them there quickly. Yeah. I'm not gonna take this nonsense. I'm gonna go. See ya. I'm going to the grain. Clink, 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 clink. Boing, 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 boing. And guys, if we win 3 times in a row, you guys need to like and subscribe. Mm. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, how did you just hit me with bow? Clink, 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 clink. Yeah. Oh my god, we win 1 time and they're not gonna let we win another time. Well, I'm gonna make them. Clink, 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 clink. I'm in my out. I don't know what is my out. Guys, I'm gonna snipe him. Oh my days, I'm so in need of thank you. I died because no, not that, that. Oh my days. Put auto assist on. Then he's gonna point it to the right spot in the head. Please. Put auto assist on. Then it's gonna point it to the enemy. Please. By your settings. By your settings. By your settings. Yeah, you. Okay, then why doesn't point you? You died. Wrong jeez, buddy. I'm in my dagger's orb. Don't mess with me when I am in my daggers. Yeah, but good job. Good boy. But I did not have. You're lying. You're a freaking liar. I did nothing. What the freak? You're such a liar! No, it's not already. No, I don't! Jen! Oh, you're blind! I think you're blind. You're blind! You're blind! And that is what you get for saying I have autism or cancer. I do not, guys. He's a freaking liar. No, Buffalo. Yeah, finally. I am in my arc. You never mess with me when I'm in my arc. I need some help, boy! Where are you? You're an idiot. And guys, and that one was just a warm up. That one was just a warm up. I'm just saying. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys, but that was a warm up. I have short term memory. Short term memory loss. Bro, I'm not even in. You know I'm still loading. I don't have a trashy phone. Yeah, but my internet goes off sometimes, and it is like, yeah. Ta-da! Yeah! You're in soccer! Soccer! No! I didn't try to because I said you're a soccer! Well, I got 60 on both of them. No, you didn't on your own. See, I got one on my own and it was the best player. Boom. I killed both of them. I killed both of them on my own. You bragged about it last round. Because I'm like flinging everywhere. You're a sucker! Getting mad for no reason. Oh my days! Oh my days! Shoot. And you're an idiot. because Excuse me? I'm freaking see, that's what I mean. Oh my days! You have Indonesia. You have Indonesia. I swear you have Indonesia. I do. I do. You're an idiot. It is a country, my dude. Exactly, my bro. That's why you're dumb because you couldn't told me. I did. You're an idiot. That's why you couldn't see. Are you sure about that? Yeah. Don't know. If you have good image, OP. Don't know. I'm not doing that. Yeah, no. Oh. Okay. Oh. How do I have autism? Not always. Not always. You did not even get a kill on that. Even once. Yes! Finally, you can do something in your life. Finally. Okay, okay, well, obviously, you know it is a joke, right? Um, Well, okay, well, they are good. They are actually good. I'm begging. Oh, 50? What are you doing with your life right now? Oh well. You are such a bad egg. I think I can hit you. Oh my! You suck. You suck. I felt like they were acting. I think they were acting. Bro, okay, then I think not. I think not with you, but I think they were acting with me. That's so true. I'm level 111. Oh, well, unfortunate. How did you die? Underwear. Bro's camping for his life. Bro's camping for his life. And that is why I'm saying Bro is camping for his life. Hmm, not there. Okay, actually, where is Bro? I think, yeah, no. They just went around. Bro's getting cooked. Mm, good day, boy. Aura! And that was Aura. That was actually Aura. On 100. One of typical of giving him a chance. You weird. Mm. Ready! I know scope. I know scope. That is actually good. I know scope. And you got your first no scope. Our brow is up there. Down. Yeah, maybe. I don't think he's playing games. I don't think he's not playing games anymore with me. Oh! He's a monster. mm, mm, mm. I don't know because I probably did the most work. Guys, for the lost. Yeah. For the lost game, we are gonna do hardcore parkour 2v2. You know, I cannot even hear what he's saying, but I'm pro. You can play secret maps in private servers. Yeah, I know that. I'm struggling too loud. I'm struggling too loud. I do cancel. I can You know that gives nothing. No, it gives nothing. I'm promising you. It gives nothing. Because he wants to trick you. It says for me matchmaking. Let me. Finally, I'm in. I'm still do cancelled. Okay, guys, we are just gonna end the video right here. Bye.